Hi, and welcome to week 2 of quantitative reasoning. This week in class, on Monday, we'll be practicing 2A. If you have not completed Unit 1 Activity Quiz, Lesson 1C, we'll also be completing that in class, along with the week 1 activity. And we'll also be doing the Unit 1 Activity Quiz Lesson 2A. For homework after Monday, you have 2 lessons to watch while you fill out your notes. And then on Wednesday, we'll work on your Unit 1 mini project and preview 3A. Just as a reminder, these preview and practice pages are what will be uploaded for your homework portfolio, while these notes that you take while you watch the videos will be uploaded for your notebook check. We'll go into those assignments in more detail when it gets closer to when they are due. I want to take a quick look at your week 1 activity. Again, everything is linked right into the announcements for you guys, so please go through. If there's any questions you have, please make sure to refer to the pages first and then let me know how I can help clarify. So under this section here, how I want you to do it, here is a detailed list of all the parts to this activity. Part 4 is what you will be uploading. So there's a list of questions to answer on a separate piece of paper, which you will then upload here. If you have any trouble viewing this page, there are also 2 different options to download the directions. There's also a couple YouTube videos in case you need help uploading work, and a little note here to help keep you on track. I look forward to seeing you guys all in class. And if you need any help, I have my student hours, my email, and we also have the virtual tutoring center and we have the math center. So please do not hesitate to reach out. I'll see you guys all next week.